Hi, this is V with Timeless Elegance Design. I hope I'm finding everyone well and everyone are staying safe. Today I'm bringing you another video tablescape. And the tablescape is called Kitchen Utensil Tablescape Sunday 2020. It is hosted by Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, Diva Decorating, Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Mysterious Alberta, and Cynthia Shesobless. Today our challenge was to decorate our table with kitchen utensils. And she just wanted us to think out of the box and have some kitchen utensil fun. So let's get into my tablescape. So today I decorated my table. A 6-place setting. My tea towels that I'm using as napkins, I found them at the Dollar Tree. And they have written on it, cook, eat, and be happy with a red pot. And I use clips as my napkin holder. I use my red square plate. And I use my cake warmers rack for the placemat. And I use my red and black flatware. And my stemware is a red plastic glass and red cup. All of my 6 place settings are the same except for the 2 head chairs. The tea towel is just solid because I could only find 4 of the other ones from Dollar Tree, but everything else is the same. And 2 head chairs tea towel matches the runner that I DIY'd. And my centerpiece is all of my red utensils, my red cutting board, my salt and pepper shaker, my spoon rest, as well as 3 of my stainless steel pans and 3 knives. And I have 3 of my red and silver mixing bowls, as well as my red and silver pots and pans, and 2 hand mittens that I got from Dollar Tree a while back, my handheld chopper, and my strainer, red and silver strainer, as well as all of my small utensils, and another set of red and silver pots and pans, as well as another red and silver or red and gray pot holder. And on this side of the table I have my electric chopper, as well as some red and gray pot holders and a red and silver strainer. Everything on this table I've had forever. I use all of these things on my hanging pot rack. So the only thing that I actually bought was the tea towels and the red spoon rest. But everything else I've had. This was a fun table to put together because it was very interesting to put together. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are my family member already, thank you so much for visiting me again. And if you just stop by to visit my channel just to see this tablescape, I hope you find something that you like and that you would please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And once you finish viewing my video, please go over and visit Diva Dynasty. I will leave a link in the comment section of the playlist that you can go over and visit all the other beautiful ladies' channel, including all of the ladies that are participating. Show all of them some love. Let them know I sent you over. And thank you so much for stopping by. Please stay safe, wear your mask, and stay at home as much as possible. And come back and see me on my next video. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.